Hello, welcome to Delectable Tiny Gardens. I am so glad you're here. It's play day today, so I'm gonna play with some of my favorite tiny gardens while I talk to you for a minute. Let's start. This is my bay tree. It's about 5 years old right now, and it needs some grooming, so we're going to get started with this. But I kind of wanted to talk to you about what Delectable Tiny Gardens is all about. It's about making gardening easier. Okay, it's about helping you get through the early stages of tiny gardening and learning about gardening in your tiny spaces so that you can learn how to grow food and herbs in the spaces that you have. It doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, nothing that I do is expensive. It's just a matter of a little bit of knowledge and a little bit of guidance, and you can grow your own food. So, honestly, I've been gardening for as long as I can remember. I started off with my parents' garden. They gardened about 1/4 of an acre. Typical row garden, not very efficient, wide spaces, tilled ground, bare ground with their vegetables growing in between. And, that was how people gardened in those days. But when I had kids of my own, I found a better way. So I fed 4 kids for the summer, and I bet I got a single garden or 2 garden beds that were 4 foot wide by 10 feet long, and that produced all of our food for the summer. I scaled it up, I scaled it down. I've been designing tiny gardens like this and others for maybe 30 years. For food and pleasure. I've done this gardening in an RV. I've gardened in an apartment. I've gardened professionally. I've designed gardens for other people, and I've designed my own. This is what I know because I've learned it the hard way. You can grow food no matter where you are in life, even if you don't have any experience, or even if your experience is with conventional gardens. Okay, I've got you. I've got workshops, information, tools, and live coaching calls weekly. And most important, there's a community coming together to support you as you develop the skills for your family garden. So come and join us and start with one tiny garden in one tiny space in a tiny amount of time. And we will help you learn to grow food and herbs that fits you. can grow a tiny garden too. And I invite you to join me on August 8th for the Delectable Tiny Gardens Container Garden Challenge. So come and join us, and we'll start with one tiny garden in one tiny space with a tiny amount of time, and we'll help you learn how to grow food and herbs in the space that you have. So come and join us, and we will talk to you next time. You